Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your personal computer using BlueStacks. First, download the official BlueStacks application directly from their website, which is easily accessible. Make sure your computer system meets the minimum requirements, such as at least 4 GB of RAM and a capable processor, to ensure a smooth experience. Installing it is straightforward. Just follow the simple on-screen instructions. Once BlueStacks is up and running, open the application on your computer. You will then want to find the Google Play Store icon, which is usually prominent on the home screen. Click on it to access the store, just as you would on a mobile device. Search for PUBG Mobile in the search bar and simply click Install to begin the download and installation process. After installing the game, open PUBG Mobile within BlueStacks. Now is the crucial time to optimize your controls for PC gameplay. BlueStacks provides a fantastic built-in game controls editor, allowing you to map keyboard keys and mouse movements precisely. Spend a few minutes customizing these settings to ensure a truly comfortable and competitive experience. Remember to also adjust the in-game graphics for optimal performance, perhaps setting them to a balanced 60 frames per second. Playing PUBG Mobile on your computer with BlueStacks offers distinct advantages, like a much larger display and the precise aiming capabilities of a mouse. This setup significantly enhances your tactical gameplay. If your computer is powerful enough, explore enabling even higher frame rates for an incredibly smooth visual experience. Get ready to dive into the battlegrounds, enjoying a truly immersive and competitive session against other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.